Here is the Toyota Corolla. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Now that's the reverse light over there. The way to access it, we have to open up the trunk. And now right there you'll find a black cover. And it's the same process on both the sides, left and right, exact same process. We have to get the cover off. You can just grab on the cover, just squeeze it from the sides and then pull it down, or you can also get a flathead screwdriver. So get the screwdriver and use that to pry the cover out a little bit from this end, and once it's out a little bit, then just get it out the rest of the way with your hands. That's the bulb holder. We have to twist it left to loosen it, twist it left, and now it should just come right out. There's the bulb right there. Just grab the bulb and pull it down straight. You may have to wiggle it, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is 921. Again, 921, that's the bulb size number. Go ahead and get the new bulb and align it over there with the pins in the bulb holder and just simply push it in to secure it in place. Now when you put in the bulb holder back in, you have to make sure that it's sitting in properly. So let's look at it from a different angle now. See, right now it's in, but it's not sitting in. See, it's sticking out. So I have to do some twisting and turning to get it to drop in, and yeah, that's it. Now it's looking good. At this point, just twist it right to lock it in place. Now put the cover back on, and when you do so, this side with the two clips, it should go in first. So get that side in there. Now everything is aligned in position. At this point, just push it in, and now it's secured, and that's pretty much it. Hope you found it useful.